Welcome to the Kardex Room. Within this room, we handle all our ship and receiving. So all our inventory typically comes into this room. Behind me stands two very large vertical storage systems. And what they're called is the Kardex machine made by the company Kardex. The reason we employ this technology is for better control of our inventory. At Cavalier Tool, we run 24/7, so 5 shifts. We need to be able to offer our employees that inventory to assemble jobs, be it on a day shift, an afternoon, the midnight shift, or a weekend shift. All employees have the access to this room to be able to get their jobs. What's unique about the system is we have pre-kitted the jobs. So in days past, if you were missing an object to which you needed to assemble, you might want to go and borrow it from another job box. With this system now, we have everything in that job box available and ready at any time. So it's much quicker, it's faster, and it's accurate. We can identify through a bill of material if you're missing any objects prior to you needing them within the assembly process. On top of this, one of the advantages of having this machine is that we're able to maintain some of our maintenance items. We've got oils, filters, cutting tools, long drills, specialty items. It's always inventoried and carded. We know who takes it out, when they took it out, when they return it. So it allows us to have a better control on our inventory and provides our employees the opportunity to have everything at hand for the assembly process.